Okay, so it's currently 20 to 6 on the 3rd of May, and today we are about to leave to go get a new addition to the family. As I'm sure you're aware if you follow me on my social media, we're going to pick up our collie puppy today, and if you know me, you know that I'm like dead excited about this because I have an obsession with like puppies and things, and she's just the most adorable thing, and I cannot wait to bring her home. And we've already got a Springer Spaniel and a cat, so it's going to be interesting to see if they get along. I'm sure they will. You're gonna have a little friend in a minute. Oh. Come on. Are you excited to have a friend? Oh, wow. How do you feel about getting a friend? Are you excited? No? This cat is the moodiest cat you will ever meet. She like couldn't give two damns about anyone. Could you, Smudge? No, she's just like, leave me alone, I couldn't care less about this other dog that's coming, thanks. Leave me to my business, if you don't mind. But also we got told that she was short haired. She's clearly not short haired. We've made it to Pets at Home. I've never been in it. Oh, it smells a bit funky. Can we get her a pretty leather one?
Yeah, well that's going to be far too big for a puppy.
True. Damn it. I'm sorry. They have, what is it? It won't focus. Someone tapped the screen. Oh, I just tapped it with my nose.
No, it's not real wine.
It's Prosecco.
Still wine for cats and dogs.
Right, okay. This is just taking a bit far if you ask
grapes.
me.
Well, it's lucky there's no grapes because grapes are poisonous for dogs.
Yeah, well that just takes it a bit far if you ask me. Wait, I want to show what we bought her. I've got 2 treats in my hand and this is annoying me. No. Honestly, some people can't do their job. We got her a pretty little collar, some puppy treats, a Kong, and everything's pink, and a duck that squeaks. Oh, it should make a quack. Oh, I'm dying. I actually can't. She's the cutest thing I've ever seen in my whole entire life. Look at her, she's just so happily sat there. Oh. Oh, she's camera shy already. What can you see? So we're just in the car, and Dad's made a new best friend with a farmer who we got Aspen from. Dad's just been showing him around our field, and Aspen and I are just patiently waiting. I'm not sure what should say patient, but we're waiting. Welcome home. Oh. Oh, look at her, she's so small.
She's never been on grass before.
No, I was just thinking that. Oh, she loves it. She's gonna battle some steps. No? Oh. Smudge, how do you feel? Should we take you over? They're literally the same size. What is it? She actually couldn't care.
She's going to miss your shoes missing. Oh, stay there. It's really cute.
Smudge couldn't give 2. Actually couldn't.
Hang on.
Aspen! Aspen! I swear she already knows her name.
Eat your food.
I know, but I just want to... Oh, but I can't do any of that when she's this adorable. It doesn't work. No, she's not going anywhere. Yeah, do you like your toy? No, you just tripped over your own bed. I know.
Boy.
Oh, they're already best of friends.
He wants to play, that's what it is.
Oh. Gorgeous.
I think we have playing in the kitchen and that's it.
Did you hear that, guys? Just playing in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Oh, I've got a whisker in my eye. Ow. Ow. I don't think you can eat my hair, Aspen. Aww. Aspen, you're not... It's not really something I think she should be allowed to do.
No.
Can I have my hair back? Ow! Ow! Thanks for that. Oh. Yeah, so meet Aspen, our new border collie. Good morning. Oh, hello. She was a very good girl last night, actually. There was a bit of barking going on because obviously she was in a cage and she didn't like that. But her little yaps didn't last long, did they? No, no. She's settled in very well, actually, so that is very good. Oh. Oh. You're very wet, aren't you? Yeah. Aspen, come here. Come here. Sit. Oh, no.